Sridi to please come, and none other than Mukulda, all of our favorite. So please come and we'll do this ceremony, and then we'll follow this by the national anthem. Can we have an applaud for this?
Om Bhurbhuvah Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Om Bhurbhuvah Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Om Bhurbhuvah Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Om Bhurbhuvah Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Om Bhurbhuvah Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat.
We have a video.
भारत भाग्य विधाता
पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा
द्राविड उत्कल बंगा
विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा
उच्छल जलधि तरंग
तव शुभ नाम जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा
जन गण मंगल नायक जय हे
भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
We hope to continue with this in the years to come also. Thank you. The idea, like, this is the first time an event related to finance is associated with Rotary. The reason I was just sharing, although in a little lighter note with Mukulda and the DG, that we all should be having more such programs so that all the Rotarians have much more money, so that all of us can make a theme that we all become Paul Harris Fellow every year, so that all of us can contribute $1,000 every year. And in order to do that, whatever ideas are required, that can be acquired, and whatever needs to be done, we all can do. But before the start of this program, there will be a disclaimer all investments are subject to market risk. So apply your own advice and use them. But we have a very good series of advisors, speakers coming throughout the day. And I hope each and every moment will become a memorable, and we all will be leaving this hall with a lot of good ideas which we can implement. Before taking anything further, I'll request the district governor. He has been kind enough to be present, although we are having another program at Joka, which is also very important for the district. So, but DG is there, so I'll request DG to please come and give the welcome speech. Thank you very much.
Host Club President Konok, Chairman Financial Literacy Committee Partho, past District Governor Shubhi Malda, past District Governor Amitabuda, Assistant Governor Shamusri, District Secretary Mukul, co-host club presidents, members of other Rotary clubs, ladies and gentlemen, warm good morning to all of you. Today's subject is a bit different than what we do in Rotary. Financial literacy is something which had not been heard in the Rotary circle. This Rotary year, I have introduced this committee for the first time in our district 3291. I had no idea that they will work so splendidly. Money management is a specialized job. In most of the rural areas, people are still exploited for the want of awareness and knowledge. This is what this committee is providing to all. They are educating people, guiding people about their financial management. They are in fact making people literate about their own financial aspects. They are just helping them to minimize their risks with their finance, making people aware of how to deal with the cheat funds and other unscrupulous financial thugs prevailing in today's market. While doing so in grassroots levels, our committee members encountered stubborn resistance from local agents and exploiters, but they have ventured successfully by overcoming the resistance and sticking to their purpose. I congratulate our entire Financial Literacy Committee for the same. Government of India has kept financial literacy in their priority list. They have requested Reserve Bank of India to create a policy for financial literacy. The Reserve Bank of India to create the policy invited suggestions from different sectors, and you will be happy to know that the Financial Literacy Committee of Rotary International District 3291 have forwarded their suggestions to RBI, and it has been acknowledged by RBI. Their speakers will make you aware of the topic during the seminar. I thank them all on behalf of Rotary International for agreeing to be here. I thank the lead host club, RC Calcutta Southeast, and all other co-host clubs for supporting their very essential seminar on financial literacy. We need to have many more such seminars, and I feel it's only the beginning. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Uttamda. It's really more encouraging and given us more encouragement so that we can continue to have such programs in the near future. Although we have been doing various programs at a distance of 50 kilometers and more from Calcutta, I think Financial Literacy Committee has done over 22 programs in last 1 year, from Singur to Bardhaman to Howrah and so many other places, and that has been really encouraging. So with this, I'll request other dignitaries sitting on this just to share 2 words before we just begin. Shubhimal Da and then Amitabh Da, just maybe little bit.